Welcome, my people. This is another homemade video, another saga, another drama that you can learn from. It's titled IYAWO, where we have veteran actors in this movie, and it's also something like a comedy and like a melodrama. Now, the wife is so troublesome, and the husband, so-called husband, acts as if he is somehow incomplete, and the in-laws, the sister-in-law and the mother-in-law, they're trying their possible best to push out this lady, and the lady is ready for them to put up a fight with them even in the middle of the night. Please subscribe and like for more latest movie and latest comedy drama. Thank you very much.